Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Today we will do vocabulary. Vocabulary plays an important role in an effective communication with which you can express your thoughts, ideas and feelings clearly and effectively. So today we will do vocabulary with the help of dialogues. Let's begin. Let's start with please. Please give me a glass of water. So friends, here please was used in the form of request. Please wear your mask. May I have your pen please? Same way you can frame this kind of sentence. Can I join your table please? Could you give me a hand please?
Okay.
This way she helped me in arranging books. May I use your mobile please? Please sit down. So friends, hope you understood the use of please. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. See you soon.